Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS8078, Green Computing, Unit 2, topic Green Business Process Management, Modeling, Optimization, Collaboration. Objective to learn about the concepts of green business process management. Green business process management, it is an overall approach to modeling, optimizing, consolidating and executing business process of an organization from a carbon perspective. It can be understood as a discipline of modeling, realizing, executing, monitoring, and optimizing business processes. Next one is green re-engineering. It is a process to green process will incorporate re-evolution of processes and also as an undertaking and understanding the modeling of their supporting hardware, software and people in order to cut down the carbon generated through them. Here the following steps are in terms of green business process management. First we are going to see the listing. In this listing, it is the initial list. It will be refined as its green transformation exercise proceeds. For example, production, inventory, supply chain, customer relations, finance and HR. Here also it should be categorized into different categories in the organization: primary, secondary or supporting process. It also the major functions of the organization. The next one is ranking. The ranking of the process within the process, the list can be undertaken based on the carbon criteria. Next one is the modeling. It requires accurate modeling of the processes. And the next one is optimizing. It is the study of the processes that are modeled from their carbon impact. Next one is retaining. That means the modeled or optimized will reduce their carbon contribution. Next one is removing. It will identify the process that are either redundant or duplicated. The next one is Green Business Process Management. The short form is BPM and standards. It can be carried out in the number of ways. Here we have some following aspects of the use of standards in Green Business Process Management. First one is TQM, Kaizen and Six Sigma provide standards and techniques to optimize and improve business processes. Efficient business processes may also create opportunity to produce greater quantity of goods resulting from improved production capacity. Customization and personalization of products to suit the demands of customers is the result of process re-engineering. Re-engineering of processes also result in optimizing the internal organizational structure. Knowledge management enables keeping track of customer preferences. Green business analysis. Role of a BA can provide analytical, helpful and support for green business processing modeling. It is a role that once and models the requirements of the project. It also responsible for working with the key business executives. The next one is green IT governance. Indicates how a governance standard is translated into policies and practices through business rules. Service strategy. That means it provides guidance on explanation or prioritization of service provided and their customers' investment in services. Next one is service design. It also provides a guidance on design of new or modified IT services through their catalog. Next one is service transition. Here the transition of a service to the operational area of the business with environmental considerations inbuilt into them. Next one is service operation. When the service has become operational, they can be called as a green service. Then next one is continual service improvement. It provides guidance on the things that need to be controlled and measured for improving service quality. The next one is green business processes incremental complexity. In this diagram, it shows the different business processes. First one, we are going to see the broadcast processor. That means using this you can able to understand, model and optimize when they are the one way broadcast processes. Next one is informative processor. That means the green aspect of this informative category comes from the fact that the receiver of the output of this informative process is known as the organization. Next one is transactive processes. It is also called as the electronic commerce processes. It requires a three-way interaction, that means between the vendor, customer and the payment facility. The next one is operative processes. It is used for the more complexity and deal with the internal and operational aspect of the organization. Next one is collaborative processes. When multiple organizations interact with each other through collaborative, that means a web-based processes, the carbon generation is not only significant, it also increasing challenging to trace the organizational boundaries of this process is extremely fuzzy. Next one is green mobile business process. That means the way in which the green mobile processes are enacted by incorporation of mobility into the business processes. Here we have the understanding of this increasing complexity also provides opportunity through the use of mobile technologies to reduce corresponding carbon contents of the processes. First one, we are going to see the mobile broadcast. It is used for the sending of one-way information to a large group of people. Next one is mobile informative. It is the use of mobility provides the organization with the ability to provide environment related information, for example, to the various stakeholders within the business. Next one is mobile transactive. It includes collection, collation and reporting of environmental data. Next one is mobile operative. It provides opportunities for the organization to model and optimize its internal processes. Next one is mobile collaborative. It should be influenced by the business partners' policies and strategies toward green environment. Next one is environmental economic mobile use. The economic influence of mobility need to be considered here in terms of its relevance to the environment. Environmental technical mobile use. Environmentally responsible mobile businesses apply the concept of reuse to the design and distribution of mobile gadgets as well. Environmental process mobile use. The way in which businesses operate can have a tremendous impact on the environment. Environmental social mobile use. The social dimension of mobile technologies, particularly the device and the social networks, it should relate to the environment in many ways. Thank you.